Hello guys, I am about to reveal the winner of our £3,000 photography prize giveaway. If you came to see us at the photography show at the Excel in London this year, you could well have entered our free prize draw. We got loads and loads of entries. It's not working now, so don't worry about scanning it now, okay? This is what someone is about to win. A Fujifilm X-T50 with an XF 16 to 50mm lens. A Lee Filters Lee 100 Deluxe Kit Plus. A Low Pro Freeline BP35 rucksack camera bag. A Manfrotto B3 Advanced tripod, £100 of Wex vouchers, £100 of Bob Books vouchers, a K&F Concept neck strap and cleaning kit. All of that gear is going to be sent to someone very soon. I have uploaded all of the entry names onto a random name picker on the internet. And without further ado, let's click the button and choose the winner. Here we go. I'm going to click start. Oh, who's it going to be? And it is Liam Stanley. Well done, Liam Stanley. We are going to be emailing you very shortly to tell you that you've won all of this equipment. I want to thank all of our brand sponsors here for supplying this equipment for you guys to win. I also want to thank everyone else for entering. I'm sorry you didn't win. I mean, it's just a random prize draw, but I do hope that you still come over and check out our courses at theschoolofphotography.com because I'm really sure they're going to help you out. So well done to Liam. We'll be in touch soon. Thank you to everybody that came to see us at the photography show. We really appreciate it, and it was great to speak to all of the members and our new customers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to TSOP for more great prize giveaways. And remember, if you want to learn photography properly, come over and see us at theschoolofphotography.com.